Hello to all of you. Welcome to James Marketing Channel. Today's clip will guide you. Bulk video scanning from multi-platforms of social media and then go. Edit video series bypass copyright automatically and in large quantities. I'll give you an example now. An Instagram channel. Take this channel, for example. We can probably load in bulk. These videos are about building a channel. Or we go and do viral video to pull traffic. The software will help us download series of videos from any channel. And I'll download it from Instagram. And we can completely download it from Facebook, TikTok, Douyin, or YouTube Short. I will now download it from Instagram. Or I'll take the nature channel. So many million views, and now I'm going to download it. We can download unlimited videos. How many videos can you download? I will now download 1000 videos from this channel. That's 1000 videos for everyone. Then we select out this scan account. Click Start as the software will automatically load. The software has now scanned out the box. More than 600 videos. Videos from 2022. Then now is, I will guide everyone to download it. I chose to copy this video link. Copy the video link to this download. And paste in. Then you will choose a folder to save it. We're going to select a folder to save these videos to.
Here, everyone. After downloading, I already have a large number of them. And now I will go for bulk and automatic editing to bypass copyright and post on other platforms. Go to this video edit. There are more than 500 effects, so that we can edit for our videos to another format. And we all have configuration setups here. From this sound spleen, we choose all the ones. Effect. Now I'm going to select some of these effects. Basic. I'll simply choose Video Collage. We mix right mouse. It's going to be like this. Select Audio Video from Video 2. And we're going to choose Video 2 to put together. Or I'll run the other part. The simplest is that we're going to put together an outro video. Select this auto video. I will now select the videos that I just downloaded it so I can edit it. The first 5 videos, for example. Select Drive. I will now demo the software automatically. Batch video editing. And we can absolutely choose all of these effects to edit out thousands of different videos. Purpose of copyright bypass. Watch now, this is the original video. And we'll see the edited video. The software is fully automated. If you find it interesting, contact me. Experience the software and register to use it. This is the end of my clip. Bye everyone.